खुशियाँ तू ही रे, मेरी खुशियाँ, मेरी खुशियाँ, मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही रे। मेरी दुनिया, मेरी दुनिया, मेरी दुनिया तू ही रे, मेरी खुशियाँ, मेरी खुशियाँ, मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही रे। रात दिन तेरे लिए सजदे करूं, दुआएं मांगू रे, मैं यहाँ अपने लिए रब से तेरी बनाए मांगू रे। सिखाया हम लोगों को, अच्छा इंसान बनाया, जिंदगी है तेरा साया, अनजानों को सीधा रास्ता दिखाया। तू नहीं एक रोशनी ले आई है जीवन की राहों में, हर घड़ी गुजरे तेरी सारी उम्र अब अपनी बाहों जो भी खताएं हम झेलेंगे, उनकी सारी सजा भी हमने की, जितनी जफाएं हम उनसे भी अब करेंगे वफा भी। नए मौसम नया, आलम नया, बदले हैं अरमा भी, कह रही एहसास की गहराइयां, ठहरा है तूफान भी।
Life come together to build a strong foundation for our children. Before we begin, I would like to start with a quote. What we celebrate on this stage is the living outcome of inspired leadership and reminds us that true education goes beyond marks and milestones. It is about building character, instilling values, and helping children discover who they really are. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause on stage. Let us seek divine blessings. We offer flowers to Lord Ganpati, the remover of obstacles, and Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom and learning. I would like to call upon Kashi, Ruhi and Shloka with Meetal ma'am. Moving forward with Diya Lightning, I hope it guides our children with knowledge, values and positivity on every step of their learning journey. I would like to ask Jignesh sir and Simran ma'am to proceed with the Diya Lightning.
मेरे करो is not just the stage performance, but the celebration of growth, learning, and confidence. Our children may be little in age, but they are big in imaginations, curiosity, and dreams. Today's functions will provide them the platform to perform and wings to fly. At this moment, I would like to share some information regarding preschool. Government of Gujarat has started to streamline the preschool across Gujarat. The main purpose of government is to check the safety, hygiene and other aspects of the preschool. And for that, they have started, education department has started the registration process. And I'm happy to share that your school, Tinker Tots, is one of the few schools in our area who has secured these registrations at a very early stage, and we are adhere to all government norms for this particular process. Very soon, education department is started to register and provide the unique ID to each school, and we are in that process to get that number very soon. I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to Simran Madam, all the teachers and supporting staff. Their untiring work behind these annual functions is really very important. Their passion, love and commitment are the foundation of everything that we are going to see or witness today. I am thankful to all the parents for trusting us. Your support, cooperations and belief give us strength to do better every passing year. As we are going to start our function very soon, I request you all to appreciate each performance with full of energy. Our kids have put a lot of efforts for their performance. So I request once again all the parents to appreciate their performance, their efforts. Thank you once again for being here and being an important part of Tinker Tot family. Thank you one and all.
What we do is why we do, to nurture little hearts, curious minds, and happy learners. Your guidance continues to inspire our journey. Each performance today represents a color of a rainbow. Each color reflects an important lesson that shapes a child's life. Together, these colors show how our preschool nurtures children emotionally, socially, and intellectually. Representing this, today will be accompanying my co-actors Anmay, Veera, Shivansh Sharma, and Manoj.
At night, culture is our candle forever giving light. Festivals and mantras are make hearts shine. In every little ritual, there is a meaning divine. Dear parents, today we are here from something close to our heart, our Indian culture. Anashri, do you know what culture is? Okay, I tell you. Yes, it's about prayers, festivals and mantras. But it's also about the values we live by, togetherness, faith and love. In temple we chant mantras. In mosque we offer namaz. In church we sing with hands. In Gurudwara we pray with love. Different paths, but one emotion, devotion. Our ways are different, but our hearts go to one God. Close your eyes for just one moment. Imagine the sound of dole, the glow of candles, the taste of sevaiya, the joy of dancing together at Lohri. That's the magic of our festival. Different festivals, different traditions, but every festival brings the same happiness, unity, love, and celebrations. Exactly, Anmay. Our culture is not just about rituals. It's a celebration of life. It gives us strength. It It brings us together and keeps us rooted in who we are. Because our culture and rituals teach us how to stay strong, happy, and connected. Not just on the outside, but inside our hearts too. Culture is not just our identity, it's our pride. To show this Sakti, Bhakti, and unity, we now will introduce special performance for you. This is our culture, strength, faith, and celebration. Now let's feel it through our dance.
Grounded while learning to adapt to modern life. This performance shows how culture and rituals continue to guide children in today's world. Please applaud as I call upon the students of Senior KG Arya Bhatt and Kautalya on stage. Agastya, Anmay, Darsh Malavya, Devansh, Dhairya, Divya, Divyam, Dvita, Grisha, Hetvi, Janmay, Jaisvi, Malhar, Manasvi, Nitya, Pranshu, Ruhi, Shivansh Patel, Shivansh Sharma, Veera, Raisha, Darsh, Devrat Singh, Dhruvansh, Dhritya, Drishan, Hasya, Hitansh, Jenya, Jiansh, Kahan, Maharshi, Maisha, Pashwarat Singh, Pranil Singh, Ranveer, Rishik, Riten, Samir, Thia, Vansh, Vyana. From Junior KG we have Jainam, Dwani and Sham from nursery.
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुते भगवति शितिकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दूर्धरधर्षिणि दूर्मुखवर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोषरते धनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मधशोषिनि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि शैलसुते अयि जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वनप्रियवासिनि हासरते शिखरि शिरोमिनि तुङ्ग हिमालय शृङ्गनिजालय मध्यगते मधु मधुरे मधुकैटभगन्धिनि कैटभवन्धिनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
every child is unique, just like the many colors of a rainbow. When we say we build their rainbow, we mean that a school becomes an important color in a child's life. A space where they can feel safe, confident, valued, and supported as they grow. The colors you see on stage today through various performances and poems are not just costumes. Each color represents an important part of a child's life, and every other color adds meaning, balance, and beauty to the whole. जैसे रेनबो अपने हर रंग के बिना अधूरा होता है, वैसे बच्चों का सफर स्कूल के बिना पूरा नहीं होता. Through this performance, our children remind us that life is just not about being one singular color. It's about embracing all shades, be it joy, be it learning, be it friendship, discipline, or dreams. When we say all these colors come together, they truly build something very beautiful. A confident, a joyful, and a well-rounded child. Please welcome on stage the students of Junior KG Sarabhai, Ayan, Aditi, Adam, Akshar, Aneri, Atharva, Dhanya Pratap, Dhrij, Felicia, Dwit, Jian, Kavisha, Khanak Bhanderi, Khanak Patel, Khanak Sheth, Manav, Mishri, Misri, Nivan, Rensi, Shivansh, Shivanya, Shloka, Shri, Vriti. And from Senior KG we have Dhairya, Malhar, Pranshu, Maharshi, Rishik, Riten.
Good evening. We are red. We bring love and friendship to our school. Red teaches us to take care of each other with courage and kindness. Red is love. Red is kind. Keep our friendship in our mind. We help, we hug, we always share. Red team shows we care. Thank you. Good evening. We are orange, full of energy and creativity. Orange fills our school, fun and imagination. Thank you. Orange is a joy. Orange is a cheer. We bring smile, fun and cheer. The heart and ideas we light the way, making school a brighter day. We are yellow, we bring happiness and laughter everywhere. Yellow reminds us that a smile can make day brighter. Thank you. We love play, we shine like the sun. School time is full of fun. We are green. We love plants, trees, and earth. Green teaches us to take of nature and keep our world clean. Thank you. Green means land. Green means tree. We keep our planet fresh and fresh. We plant. We care. We love the trees. We protect our earth. Yes, please. Thank you. Peace honest into our classroom. Blue reminds us to stay good friends always. Thank you. Stop the fight. Peace and love in every fight. Thank you. We are Indigo, learning, thinking deeply. Indigo is our school with smart ideas and curiosity. Thank you. Yellow, red, white, full with heart, with heart, with the eye, full, torch. Violet twinkles soft and sweet, like magic bubble at her feet. Pretty flowers shining spots, violet fun ending the torch. It makes you smile, it makes us pray. Violet color, blended all day. Thank you. Make me to fly, to shine, to grow. Anything I do, help us to grow. Thank you.
सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने पल ठन के निकले सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने घर से दूर चले रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम इसके दरवाजे से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं कोई आगे चलता है हम पीछे चलते हैं दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम
इश्क सिखा मैं तो आई जग तज के इश्क सिखा मैं तो यारा तेरे सदके
Parents, please keep clapping for a tiny dog.
इश्क सिखा जब याद करे परवाह मेरी मुझे क्या परवाह इस दुनिया की जग मुझ पे लगाए पाबंदी मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की
Next performance. India has many states, each with its own culture and values. When children learn different states, they learn respect, acceptance, and unity. Different states represent discipline, creativity, and progress. By celebrating diversity today, we help our children grow into open minded and patriotic individuals. Please welcome the students of Junior KG, Evam, Iona, Advait Bora, Advait Jogi, Akshat, Dishani, Dharti, Dhwani, Ikvira, Harmi, Hitesh, Hitansh, Hek, Hitarth, Hiyan, Harshiv Singh, Janam Singh, Kaira, Khanak, Nitya Shah, Nitya Trivedi, Riyansh, Urvit, Vian, and Vatsavi. From Senior KG we have Devrat, Maisha, Samir, Kahan, Vansh, Dviti, Hetvi, Nitya, Jaisvi, and Trishan.
Good evening, everyone. Namaste. I am from Delhi, the capital city of India. Here we have Parliament House and Prime Minister's office and Supreme Court, where Indian was examined. Thank you. The capital, Madrid. Yes, but Delhi needs clean air and safe road. Let's make our capital pollution free and full of pride. Delhi is India's heart. Keep it healthy. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Sat Shri Akal. I am from Punjab, the land of brave heart and golden hills. Punjab is called football of India and give the nation weak prize and soldiers. Punjab people, let's so glad, brave soldier, full of courage and might. Punjab is a golden city, that they never ever. Yes, but Punjab faces water shortage and pollution, yet rapid in bad habits. We must save our rivers, support our farmers and guide our young generation. If Punjab stays strong, India stays strong. Punjab Daddy, India does. And thank you. Good evening, everyone. Came Chovala. I am from Gujarat, land of Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who gave India freedom and unity. Our Gujarat is full of industries, business mind and culture. Yes, India got great leaders from Gujarat and now it needs brave IPS officers and soldiers to please don't go sour India because Gujarat is great but India isn't great. Thank you. Good evening everyone. Namaste ji. I'm from Himachal Pradesh, the land of God, beauty and peace. Our state is India, river like peace and sunlight, fresh apple, tourism and green energy. Yes, but we must stop deforestation and pollution. Let's keep our Devbhoomi green and clean because Himachal's nature is India's future. Thank you. I'm from Rajasthan, the land of king and brave warriors. Our forests, palaces, and deserts shows India's royal history. Tourism here brings pride and visitors from all over the world. Thank you. Yes, but Rajasthan faces water shortage and rising heat. We must save every drop and plant more trees because Rajasthan encourage and culture make India stronger. Thank you. We are proud Indian. Vande Mataram. Bharat Mata ki jai.
ओ सत ते मैं जावा मेरी दिल जानिया मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम जो कर जावा तुम तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी जीती रहो जीतती रहो तू सारे जहां से प्यारी जो तेरे नैनों से टपके हर आंसू है अपना जो तेरे होठों पे ठहरे वो गीत अब अपना जो सीना तान के तू चल दे उठता है सर अपना जगी ले अपनी जिंदड़ी सर पर हाथ है अपना तेरा जो भी है सपना अब जिम्मा है अपना सपने सच करने की तेरी बारी तू सारे जहां से प्यारी सारे जहां पे भारी दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी जीती रहो जीतती रहो
and cheer. It teaches us how to stand tall and proud, to shine with grace, not just stand out loud. With dreams ahead and roots held tight, Ahmedabad leads us towards the light. Ahmedabad is not just a city, it is our identity. It is proudly known as India's first UNESCO World Heritage City, where history, culture, and values live together. From its traditions and festivals to its spirit of unity and hard work, Ahmedabad teaches us how to stay rooted. While growing with modern times, as we say in Gujarati, આપણી સંસ્કૃતિ એ આપણો ગર્વ છે. Emphasizing the same idea, we have Janmay, Pranil and Devansh from senior KG.
કેમ છો બધા? હું તો કેરળથી આવ્યો તો, પણ 12 વર્ષથી અમદાવાદમાં જ રહું છું. શરૂઆતમાં એવું લાગતું હતું આ શહેર કેવું હશે, પણ હવે તો દિલથી કહું છું, મને અમદાવાદ બહુ જ ગમે છે. અહીંના લોકો એટલા પ્રેમાળ અને ખાવાનું તો વાત જ ના પૂછો. ખાખરા, ઢોકલા, ખાખરા, જલેબી, વાહ. પ્રવીણભાઈ, એ તમારો વિશે જણાવો. હું પણ રાજસ્થાનથી આવ્યો છું. છેલ્લા 10 વર્ષથી અમદાવાદ નજીક મહેસાણામાં રહું છું. મને પણ અમદાવાદ બહુ ગમશે. અહીંયા ફરવા માટે કેટલો સરસ સ્થળો છે. કાંકરિયાતળામાં બોટિંગ, ગાંધી આશ્રમમાં શાંતિનું ગાર્ડનમાં શોપિંગ, માળતોકનું જમવાનું, સાયન્સ સિટી જવાની મજા. વાહ, થોડુંક દૂર જઈએ તો ગાંધીનગર, અડાલજની વાહ, કેટલું બધું સરસ જોવાનું. જન્માઈભાઈ, આ તમારા વિશે જણાવો. પણ અમદાવાદમાં જ રહું છું. અહીંયાના તહેવારોની તો વાત જ ન થાય. નવરાત્રિના ગરબા, ઉત્તરાયણની રંગબેરંગી પતંગો, દિવાળીના દિયા, જન્માષ્ટમીની દહીં હાંડી, હોળીના રંગો, રથયાત્રાનો ઉલ્લાસ, બધું જ આનંદથી ભરેલું, ધમાલથી ભરેલું. અને સૌથી ગર્વની વાત તો એ છે કે આપણું શહેર યુનેસ્કો વર્લ્ડ હેરિટેજ સિટી તરીકે માન્યતા મળી છે. એટલે કે આપણું શહેર ઇતિહાસ અને આધુનિકતાનું અનોખું મિશ્રણ છે. દેવાંશભાઈ, હવે તમને અમદાવાદમાં શું નથી ગમતું? પણ હા, એક વાત તો ખટકે છે. એ ટ્રાફિકની તો ધમાલ જ છે. ક્યારેક લાગે છે બધાને જલ્દી છે, પણ ધીરજ નથી. હા, બરાબર. જે પણ અટકી જાય ને તો ઝઘડો છોડું. લોકો થોડી શાંતિ રાખે તો કેટલું સરસ લાગે. હા, કેટલાક લોકો ખાઈને રસ્તા ઉપર થૂકી દે છે. આપણું શહેર તો સ્વચ્છ અમદાવાદ તરીકે જાણીતું છે ને, તો આવી આદતો બદલી તો શહેર વધુ સુંદર લાગે. સાચું છે. જો દરેક વ્યક્તિ પોતાની જવાબદારી સમજે તો અમદાવાદની ઓળખ વધારે ચમકે. ચાલો બધા મળીને નક્કી કરીએ, સ્વચ્છતા, ધીરજ, સૌજન્ય એ આપણું સાચું સૌંદર્ય. હા, ચલો બધા મળીને બોલીએ, અમદાવાદ ગર્વ મારું, ફરજ સૌની. અમદાવાદ ગર્વ મારું, ફરજ સૌની. ચાલો પેરેન્ટ્સ, મારી હારે હજી એકવાર ફરીથી બોલો, અમદાવાદ ગર્વ મારું, ફરજ સૌની. થેન્ક યુ.
We are so proud of each one of you. Your courage, your expressions, and your confidence truly made this moment special. Now, our children of Junior KG Chanakya are now ready to celebrate the heart of Ahmedabad. Let's have a huge round of applause for them. Anav and Pahal representing that Ahmedabad is famous for its yummy food. There are many tasty Gujarati dishes. Everyone loves to eat and enjoy them. Tanish and Arohi tells us how Ahmedabad is a city with a long history. It is very special and very proud. It is India's first UNESCO World Heritage City. Anshika and Lakshika depicting how Ahmedabad is full of colors. People wear bright clothes and dance. The city looks beautiful during festivals. Veer and Vishay intellectually telling us how Ahmedabad is a smart and growing city. People learn, work, and move forward together. It is an important city of Western India. Gyana and Arohi lovingly showing that Ahmedabad is a city of love and smiles. People live together in peace and unity. It is a happy city with a rich culture. Jivika showing us how Ahmedabad loves to celebrate festivals.
आज ना वो अहमदाबाद रे 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 अहमदाबाद रे आज ना वो अहमदाबाद रे अहमदाबाद रे
અમદાવાદ નો રિક્ષા વાળો મોજ મજાતી ફરવા વાળો અમદાવાદ નવું અમદાવાદ બતાઉં ચાલો અમદાવાદ નો રિક્ષા વાળો મોજ મજાતી ફરવા વાળો અમદાવાદ નવું અમદાવાદ બતાઉં ચાલો એવી રિક્ષા હાકું ઓડી વાળો અમદાવાદ નવું અમદાવાદ બતાઉં ચાલો અમદાવાદ નો રિક્ષા વાળો મોજ મજાતી ફરવા વાળો અમદાવાદ નવું અમદાવાદ બતાઉં ચાલો
અમદાવાદ અમદાવાદ एक लाल दरवाजे तंबू तोड़िया
performance. I hope and I wish this performance is very dear to all of you because it's about parenthood. Parenthood is a journey of love, patience, and support. Parents are a child's first teachers and strongest pillars. This performance is a heartfelt tribute to all parents here who nurture their children with care and encouragement. Showcasing the same gratitude in the form of a poem comes Grisha and Darsh from Senior KG. Can we have a huge round of applause for them?
All fathers present here. My superhero works so hard and loves me so much. Papa works from day to night, making everything just right. He smiles at me, though he is tired. His love for me never expired. He fixes toys, he ties my shoe. There is nothing Papa can't do. His hands are strong, his heart is kind. There is best friend I could find. When I am scared, he holds me tight. And Papa says, don't worry, it will be alright. You are my shining star, my hero, the best by far. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. My poem name is It's Okay, Mama. This is for all Mama who present here. Let's start. If today's homework isn't done, it's okay, Mama. Tomorrow will come and I will do it. Promise, Mama. अगर मैं कोई कंपटीशन नहीं जीती तो कोई बात नहीं मम्मा. आप ही तो कहती है कि मेहनत तो सीखना ही असली कला है. If the house is little messy, it's okay, Mama. Home feels warm because of you, not just the sofa, Mama. If the tiffin is not healthy today, it's okay, Mama. I know tomorrow you give me the best one. Your smile says, don't rush, just try. Mistakes are fine, they help us fly. You teach me calm, you teach me grace. That love, not perfection, wins every race. Thank you all, Mama and Papa. Take a deep breath and relax. Thank you for your love, care, and hard work. You all make us strong and happy every day. We all love you. Thank you.
Sensitivity and beautiful expression. We are incredibly proud of each child for sharing their feelings so bravely and sincerely. Moments like these remind us that our children are not just learning lessons but learning values like empathy, appreciation, and love. Thank you, dear Grisha and Darsh, for touching our hearts today. Representing the same idea, we have the youngest students of Tinker Tots, Nursery Newton, coming with their unmatchable swag to leave us in an awe. Ahan, Arvi, Agastya, Darsh, Dhanvin, Hiteshi, Jaivik, Mahir, Mokshit, Prathit, Rishita, Sanvi, Shivaksh, Shrija, Shyam.
गोदी उठा लेना माँ, आंचल से मेरा मुंह पोंछ देना, मैला सा लगे जहाँ। आ आ ई उ ए ओ ओ आ। आंखें दिखाए मुझे जब जिंदगी, याद मुझे आती है तेरे गुस्से की। डांटा भी तो तूने मुझे फूलों की तरह, क्यों नहीं माँ सारी दुनिया तेरी तरह।
Okay, now listen up. We're gonna tell you a story. A story about four guys. Da, Ra, Ma, and Pa. आज गिरे तो रात सहारा, माँ पल में समझे
Batch of Tinker Tots. Can we have a huge round of applause for them? Moving on to the next performance. Family is where a child learns love, trust, and togetherness. It is a foundation that helps children grow emotionally secure. The big fat Indian family consists of multiple support pillars: mom and dad, dada and dadi, nana and nani, mama and mummy, Fai and Fua, Masi and Masa, cousins, and the list continues. Now we have Heer, Jivika, and Nityasha from.
Today I want to speak about something very special. My loving family. My ma and papa are my world. Ma makes everything better. Papa's smile gives me courage. My dad and daddy tell me stories and bless me every day. My nana and fun and laughter. My cousins are not just family, but they are best friends. My family gives me love, joy, and strength. They are my biggest blessings in life. On this annual function day, I want to say thank you, my dear family, for love, care, and endless support. You are my smile, my pride, and my strength. Thank you.
Can we have a huge round of applause for them? This performance by students of Nursery Kalam celebrates the same importance of family in every child's life through various costumes. Let's take this upon ourselves to guess which family member they are representing. Please welcome Ahana, Ditya, Dev, Dhruv, Dravansh, Dhyani, Herit, Himadri, Janisha, Jiansh, Kian B. Patel, Kian S. Patel, Kriva, Shloka, Swara, Vamika, and
अपनों का प्यार क्या कहना
मिले हम झलक उठा खुशी का खुदा क्या कहना खिल खिल चेहरे से आज घर है मेरा गुल गुलजार क्या कहना खिल खिल चेहरे से आज घर है मेरा गुल गुलजार क्या कहना एक दिन लाया है बहार अपनों का प्यार क्या कहना
मिले हम झलक उठा खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना दबी सी हंसी होठों पे बसी है गुदगुदी कर रही हाँ हल्ला मचा रही है पागल सी ख्वाहिशें खुशियों की मिली है वजह कुछ है जुनून सा कुछ पागलपन है तो बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है कुछ
parents louder claps for them please.
सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है
कुछ ठिकाने नए उन्हें दे पगली पगली सी नादानियाँ होश में रहना है क्यों रहने से होगा बेहोशियों में है मजा बचकानी हरकतें जो होती हैं मेरे खुशियों की नहीं है मजा कुछ है जुनून सा कुछ पागलपन है सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू समन है कुछ है जुनून सा कुछ पागलपन है सौ बातें करता ये बुद्धू समन है
A child's world goes beyond home and school. Neighbors and community teach sharing, kindness, and cooperation. This performance highlights how a supportive neighborhood plays an important role in sharing responsible individuals. Welcome with a round of applause the students of Nursery Ramanandi. Aradhya and Ruhi as Zomato partners. Veera and Dhruvin as educators. Kian and Rija as police officers. Tithi and Dev as lawyers. Kashi and Taksh as doctors. Nikshika as traffic police.
जैसे कि आखिरी हो, जियो पूरे सुपल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो.
Today represents a color of a rainbow. Culture, nationality, diversity, city, parenthood, family, and community. When all these colors come together, they create a bright and meaningful future for all our children. Together, as parents, teachers, and guides, we are not just teaching lessons, we are building their rainbow. One filled with values, confidence, and joy. Please put your hands together for the last performance of our Tiny Tots. Agastya, Viana, Pashwarat Singh, Janya, Jiyansh, Raisha, Ranveer, Dhritya, Divya, Thea, Shivansh Patel, Ruhi, Hitansh, Hasya, Darsh Mistri, Dhruvansh, Dhairya, Malhar, Pranshu, Maharshi, Rishik, Riten, Divyam, Madri and Kriva from nursery and Advait Jogi from junior.
आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर फूक मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे चप्पर आठ समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर फूक मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे चप्पर खोल दे पर
Please clap for our last performance.
खोल दे पर 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 रटी रटाई सारी छोड़ो भी दुनियादारी रटी रटाई सारी छोड़ो भी दुनियादारी बागी तेवर जो तेरे बोलेंगे सब नारी सब तो मनाने की तेरी नहीं जिम्मेदारी ऊंचे आसमानों पे लिख दे तू हिस्सेदारी खोल दे पर 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 बंद घड़ी की भी रुकी हुई सुई होती सही दो दफा चुप है रहना मुझका तो कहना रोके चाहे हिचकियां आज समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर फूक मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे चप्पर खोल दे पर
Keep clapping, parents. Before we move ahead, this performance is a special one. Our tiny tots, Renzi and Shri, would like to dedicate their heartfelt gratitude towards their mentors.
Good evening, everyone. What of teacher? You teach us to smart, you help us to grow. At Tinkertoys, you love us more than we know. You sing, you dance, you hold our hand. You are our school mom, best in the land. When we feel scared or misformed too, you hug us tight and make dreams come true. You clap when we chat, you cheer when we fall. You believe in us, no matter what at all. Thank you, dear teachers. Thank you.
Please put your hands together for the heart of our school, our teachers. Simran ma'am, Manisha ma'am and Mittal ma'am, Ritu ma'am and Bhavini ma'am, Forum ma'am and Mansi ma'am, Ankita ma'am and Rupal ma'am, Ritu ma'am and Bindya ma'am, Tina ma'am and Shraddha ma'am, Shweta ma'am and Priyanka ma'am, Mahi ma'am and Preeti ma'am, Divya ma'am and Ishita ma'am, Hemlata ma'am and
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं
please keep clapping for our wonderful teachers.
हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी
Louder claps for our teachers, everyone. Along with our wonderful helpers, Bhagwati Ben, Jyoti Ben, Rishi Didi, Ritu Didi, Lakshmi Ben, Shampa Ben, Priyanka Didi and Peena Didi. And our amazing choreographer, Mrs. Arpita ma'am. Can we have a huge round of applause for her?
Today is not just an annual function, it's a celebration of efforts, growth and dreams. आपने अभी जो इन बच्चों को देखा है, इनकी समझ, इनकी मेहनत, इनका आत्मविश्वास मेरे विश्वास से परे है. इतनी प्रैक्टिस, रिहर्सल, साथ में पढ़ाई, एक्टिविटीज़, डे सेलिब्रेशन और ठंड, सब कुछ इन बच्चों ने बहुत ही पॉजिटिविटी, एंथुजियाज्म और इंटरेस्ट के साथ किया.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे